Have an FE file from Precision Fees software. This is a fee schedule used in professional service billing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Precision Fees fee schedule files for billing operations. I call this the last resort solution for those FEE files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. FEE files are fee schedule files created by Precision Fees, software used in professional services billing. They contain organized fee structures including service codes, descriptions, pricing tiers, volume discounts, and billing rules, enabling consistent client billing across professional services like legal, accounting, consulting, and other fee-based businesses. Precision Fees, FEE. Files use a structured text format, storing fee schedule entries with fields for service codes, descriptions, rates, billing units, and applicable conditions. The format follows Precision Fees specifications, enabling integration with billing workflows, including invoice generation, fee calculations, and rate management for professional service organizations. The FEE extension has a direct link to the Precision Fees application by Kalahari Software LLC. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows supports universal text formats, so they open smoothly in default tools. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your FEE file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Precision Fees first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If the FEE file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common FEE failure areas. First, opening in Precision Fees. Launch Precision Fees software and use File then Open to load the FEE schedule file. The application displays fee structures with editing tools for rate adjustments, service additions, and schedule management. Apply fee schedules to client billing scenarios for consistent professional service invoicing. Next, editing as text. Open FE files in text editors like Notepad++ or Excel to view and modify fee data. The text format enables direct editing of service codes, rates, and descriptions. Save changes and test the modified schedule in Precision Fees to verify proper integration with billing workflows. Finally, importing to billing software. Convert FEE schedules to CSV or other formats supported by alternative billing systems for migration. Export the data through Precision Fees. Export function or copy fields to spreadsheet applications. Adapt the data structure to match the target billing software's import requirements for service code transfer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.